Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Shwaibi and my partner Omar Salhi. We are here to introduce our project, which is multi-band microwave sensor utilizing electrically small resonators. In this presentation, we will cover the motivation, project objectives, basic structure, final design, and comparison and conclusion. Nowadays, we believe that modern technology needs a blood glucose sensor that is available everywhere, like fingerprint sensor. For example, having a blood glucose sensor in cars can be a very important and critical thing to have, as it will help preventing many car accidents that is due to the driver not knowing the glucose percentage in his blood. The sensor will help you to be always in check of your blood glucose level. Modern technology requires that the sensor to be affordable and small, selective, and sensitive. Thank you for listening. I will leave with my partner, Omar.
Hello everyone, my name is Omar Salhi and I will continue what my colleague talked about. I will talk about the sensor structure overview. The basic sensor has two layers, the top of view, which is a substrate layer, and the bottom of view, which is a ground plane layer. In the middle of ground plane, there is a coupled CSRR sensor. And our design, final design, as you see here, we changed the transmission line to parallel transmission line with the cut for the varactor diode. And the varactor diode is a variable capacitor for tuning the resonance frequency to have more information about the material under test. And we use the single CSRR. The numerical results, as you see here, with different capacitance, 0.2 picofarad and 0.5 picofarad, with the shift between the resonance frequency. And the fabrication, as you see here, we used 5 sensors, 0.2, 0.5, 0.7, 1, and 1.5 picofarad with the VNA. The experimental results, as you see here, with same as the numerical results, and the comparison between the 0.5 picofarad, the curve which red color for the experimental results, and the numerical results, the curve with black color. And the concept experimentally and numerically verified. Thank you for your attention.